In this video, I will show you how to create environmental awareness survey. First, you need to click Add on Gulfi form and then not found template. You can search environmental awareness survey. After you found it, just load selected template. Check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. After you refresh the page, click Gulfi form and then get link, and then just click continue, and then choose your account. After that, click advance and then go to Gulfi form, and then just click allow. After you get the link like this, just copy this and paste it into your search engine, and then the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, go to questions tab, and then I want to insert a new row, and then give text for a question type, and then just copy the question text, and for example I change it into name, so it will show like this. You can also change, for example, the question type, I change it into date, and change the question text date, so the audience can pick the date in calendar. Also, you can delete the row, so it will disappear, and then you can change the background color of your form in the settings like this. For example, I change it into light green. Also, you can add the style for the title. For example, I add the mark behavior. Just follow the step. For example, alternate, and then scroll amount. For example, I use 25 here, and then don't forget to close the code, and it will move. Thank you.